about your husband?
That's one way of putting it. I am a woman who likes to know where she stands.
Have you seen any changes in his behavior?
You mean like losing weight, exercising, cutting his hair, buying a new car? No, Mr. Isaac, there haven't been any signs. I would be disappointed if there were. My husband is never obvious.
Harap na.
Let's just say that we've reached the point in our marriage where
Avocado guys, din nilagyan ko siya ng Bear Brand
to know what he's like.
powder
Well, this is
and evaporated milk.
that is a service that we provide.
Ito yung milk ko medyo sira na konti yung milk. May amoy na.
I would like a woman working the case.
Pero madala pa naman siya. Sayang marami pa kasi yung ano eh.
Well, I'll have to see.
Hirap pag nabuksan na yung milk. At tapos hindi
I saw one
magamit.
earlier in the hall.
Nasisira.
That would be Darian McCall.
Mhm.
Fine, whatever.
Good investigator. As far as the matter of a routine,
Oh, well, just spill me whatever you think is fair.
Kalahati lang ko doon sa isang avocado guys. Yung tinira ko yung half doon para mamaya kay Mr. Okay na rin guys.
Think something out, or
Nilasa na siya.